Hey folks, my name is Sean Osteen. I'm the owner of Osteen's Load and Go. Today I want to talk about our 30-yard dumpster. The 30-yard dumpster is the largest dumpster we have in our fleet. It's 22 foot long, about 8.5 foot wide, about 6.5 foot tall. This dumpster, it'll fit approximately 10 to 14 pickup truck loads worth of junk in it. It's great for large remodels, large property cleanouts, demo jobs, anything along those lines. Just all around good dumpster. If you have any questions on what size dumpster you might need, give us a call at 407-988-5341 and we'll help you right size your dumpster. Thank you.